So in this video I will explain little bit about how can a non-IT person use ChatGPT. So simply I have one task, write an email to client for delay response. So I have to write email, it means I have to think and I have to write the content. So instead of thinking and writing content, I just need to go and paste the question, I will get the answer. I don't need to do anything. I just need to do little bit modification in this. Let's see what ChatGPT is doing for me. Actually my internet is little bit slow, that's why it is taking time, otherwise it is too fast. So we can see like ChatGPT is writing email for me, and ChatGPT has a algorithm to get best response for my question. So you can see like ChatGPT has written email for me. I just need to copy paste and need to just do little bit modification, like need to change the client name, that's it, and here the sincerely in my name, position and company. So how it is useful you can see. So I have some other question where ChatGPT can help me, like keyword for discover keyword for search engine optimization. So I have a one blog for SQL Server, or I can have blog for anything, not for SQL Server. Like I have a traveling blog and I need to write keyword for the traveling blogs. So just let me go there. uh, Keyword for SEO for my traveling website. Okay, so now it will give keyword for SEO which can that we can use for my traveling website. Now it's started to search, and within a second I will start to see the result. Due to my internet it is taking time, I know. Now you can see the result. So these are the keyword. If I put in my website, definitely my website will have a good ranking in Google. Let's see the result. So I got best keyword that I can use for my traveling website. So just example, I am creating a website, okay, and I need to get the keywords, I need to get some other things, like I'm a content writer, and I have to write content for my traveling website. It's a very simple, just copy, go, paste, you will get the result. So you can see like how I am getting content for my traveling website. So this is how we can use ChatGPTs in our daily work, and we can reduce our effort and work time. Thank you. You can see like how ChatGPT is writing a content for me. If I don't use ChatGPT, then I have to write this much content. I have to think, right, I need to do Google research, or then I will get this much thing. But without doing this effort, I got from ChatGPT.